It is the 27th of July, 2023. This is WIKISPEED Standup. Go ahead, Lauren.
Are we gonna tile us?
Well, I've got you tiled.
Oh, okay. All right then. I didn't know it was different. Right. This is Lauren Salter Gabriel, Island, British Columbia, Canada. And past week, um, I just broke open my set of 5 or 6 ESP32s, and they're a little different. Nice thing is they have mounting holes. So and I'm just considering exactly how to. I've got questions for crosstalk about just the best way to solder them, and also the slight differences is where the grounds are, but not big ones.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, and see, coming week, I'll just carry on with this, and also try and figure out a way. Is there a find out if there's such a thing as a cordless soldering iron, which I imagine there is, and also work on Trello. And I think I will probably try and get an answer from Joe, because so far he hasn't responded to the invitation to join the Trello that I'm on, and figure out whether to set up a different workspace or put move the board to the existing workspace. So right now it's in mine. So that's coming weekend. Blocks are let's see. I'm getting my some work done in the house. My kitchen floor, sad shape, and a couple of things I'm looking for. Uh, oh yeah, and I'm buying camping equipment. So, I'm kind of assembling some camping equipment. I don't have a good ground sheet, I have a pad, but I don't have a good one. So that's it for me.
Okay. It is Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. This past week, I loaded up the Pi hole onto my Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. First time I set it up, I had just had the keyboard and the mouse and the TV. Set it to log into my cabin router, and it seems that the way it works is it uses or it filters the DNS. So every time there's a call to a website that supplies ads, it filters it and gives back a null response or something like that. So that's why you don't get ads displayed. So I tried Google DNS. It didn't work. Just about a half an hour ago, I tried OpenDNS, and that seemed to work. So now I've got to get it working with my wife's iPad and see if she can print out recipes on a heavily advertised site, so that the picture of what she wants to actually make shows up on the same page as the instructions, and then the rest of the instructions on the second page. What happens now is between 2 and 5 pages print out, and sometimes the pictures are or the ads are over top of the actual um, recipe, like the description of how you make it, which is not very helpful. Um, anyway, on the tank level, I made a dipstick for my tank so that I could actually do a dip test and see what actually the level is on the tank. And I was out by 1 centimeter for the total height of the tank. It is 426 centimeters, and when it's empty, not 427. But I was pretty close, I guess. And Trello, I did 4 updates for the past week, so I think I'm caught up there. Next week, Looking to continue on the Pi-hole, looking to continue on Trello, and I'm hoping to do a little bit of work on the web server for the knitting machine and the Sunfounder reinstall. Blocks. It was actually raining outside today, so I got some work done because I wasn't tempted to go outside and do outside stuff. I guess that's about it for me. Back to you.
Okay, so I'll give myself I'm going to give myself a 5 because uh, I did get my stuff out and look at it and see what the actual real things are compared to what was in my head. And for the team, I'm going with a 9 because of the various things that are going ahead and process improvement. I think I just following up on continue with the Trello and the maybe moving. Yeah. So just yeah, and thinking of a timeline, kind of thinking about timeline. Uh, so it seems like maybe September would be a good time to try and get more people. And back to you.
Okay, I got 2 points out of the 4 projected, so that's 5 out of 10. I made it to stand up, so let's go 6 out of 10. And for the team, what the heck, we'll go 9. And the process improvement, I'm going to stick with cello because I think it's kind of core to have stuff for people to do and for people to follow along when they connect. But I did not add to my list working on the website. I guess I should do that. Contact. What's his name? Chris.
Oh yeah.
Starting admin access to website. Because if we're going to do anything, we definitely need admin access to the website. So, all right, that should pretty much wrap it up. You want to record stand up or sorry,
No,
crosstalk?
no, no.
Okay. Stop recording.